goal with this activity is to work on your ability to rotate. Here's what you're gonna do. Get a Swiss ball. You're gonna line your side with the Swiss ball between your knees, or your thighs actually, and your hands. You can put a pillow or a pad underneath your head if you're feeling some neck tension. I'm gonna get some pressure into the ball by pushing my arms down and my thighs up. And from here, you're gonna take a breath very in through your nose. On the exhale, use this bottom knee to push you and roll to the other side. You're then gonna go same thing, back. Now, if you watch from this view, you'll see that on my roll, I'm moving just like that as a unit, so I'm not losing contact with the ball or rolling kind of segmentally. Maintain the pressure, breath very in, exhale, push with the bottom knee and the foot. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.